Welcome to the Vue File Upload tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use the Syncfusion Vue File Upload component to upload files to a server along with a JSON Web Token. I will also explain how to receive the tokens on the server side. First, I open my existing Vue application where I have added the File Upload component with asynchronous settings. The save and remove URL properties have been assigned with a local server method. The removing event is handled to prevent posting the raw file to the server. This posts only the file name to the server instead of the entire raw file after removing the file on the client side. To get the uploaded files on the server side, the name property is used. On the server side, I have created an MVC controller with a save method that receives a parameter named upload files, the same name used in the uploader component on the client side. This save method will save the uploaded files. The remove method will delete the file from the server. This upload files parameter receives the file name that should be deleted. I'll place a breakpoint here and in the save method to show you how this works. I run the server application. You can see the service is running on port 7113. On the client side, I have used the same port to access the save and remove methods. To learn how to integrate the File Upload component into a Vue application, check out the Getting Started video linked in the card above and the description below. Let me run this application using the command npm run dev. I upload a file. You can see the breakpoint hits at the server application. I can see the upload file details in the parameter object. I run the application further. You can see the saved file on the server. I run the program. After uploading the file to server, the success status is updated on the client side. When I click the delete button, the breakpoint hits the remove method. The parameter contains the name of the file that should be deleted. You can see the file on the server. I run the program further. You can see the file is deleted. On the client side, the file details are removed from the DOM. Next, I will show you how to add a JSON Web Token along with the uploaded file and receive it on the server end for authentication. In the data function, I define a property to store the token. Here, I provide a sample value. You can use the data from your local storage or a cookie. To append this token in the uploaded file, I need to use the component's uploading event. I bind the event with an event handler method. Implement the onFile uploading method with a parameter. Use the argument's current request property and call the method setRequestHeader by passing the header name and value. Use the prefix bearer as per the authorization header standard and append the token. This statement will set the authorization header with the JSON Web Token and send it to the server along with the uploaded file. To receive the token on the server side, within the save method, I check for authorization by calling a method isAuthorized. If it doesn't have authorization, then I return the unauthorized response. Let me implement this isAuthorize method. Define a variable to store the authorization header value by using the requestHeaders property. I use the authorization name to index my authorization header. If the authorization header is null, empty, or it doesn't start with the word bearer, then return false, meaning that the authorization has failed. Otherwise, create a variable to store the received token. Use the authorization header string to get the token alone. Return the Boolean value by checking that the received token equals the token stored on the server side. Now, save the file to effect these changes. I upload a file. On the server side, I debug to see the authorization header value. See, the token is passed through the response headers. The request header token is then validated with the token on the server side and returns the value true, meaning it is authenticated. Now it saves the file on the server side. Next, let me show you how to authenticate when removing this file during the client-side delete operation. To pass the JSON Web Token at the time of the remove operation, I use the onFileRemoving event handler and the same statement that is used in the uploading event handler method. This statement will set the authorization header with the JSON Web Token and send it to the server along with the file name that is requested to be removed. In the server-side remove method, I use the same isAuthorize method to validate the authentication and return unauthorized if it fails. Save the file to effect these changes. I upload a file and then delete it. You can see the authorization is performed, and then the file is removed from the server. That is how easy it is to append a JSON Web Token to uploaded files using the Syncfusion Vue File Upload component. You can download the example used in this video from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also included a link where you can check if you're eligible for our community license, which gives you a free license key for our entire Vue suite. If you found this video useful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to get notifications about new videos. Thanks for watching.